I'm opening mail today. I'm opening mail!
Beautiful hairdo I've ever seen in my entire life.
I'm Crystal Methyd and I have a P.O. box which you can find in the description below. And I've just got so many packages, I just can't wait to open them. Let's see if I can open these packages with these gloves on. Oh, wait. What am I trying to get inside of here? Jewelry, little baggies of ring bracelets. Oh, so cute. You see the sticker? Am I getting it? Did I get that open? Yes. Oh my god, a frog woman. A lady can never have too many earrings, you know what I mean? Ooh, it's stuffed pretty good. Oh my gosh, it opens up so beautifully. Zoe and Fern. Is there a bug in my nose or is this an ostrich feather? Oh, work. That looks sickening. OMG, a custom tie-dye sweatshirt! This is so cute. You guys, you know I love rainbow. This one is very exciting, as you can tell from the print of the packaging. This is Samando Guerra. Ah! Hello, friend. This is not an ad, but I do like him, and I got them for free. Mondo is just sickening. And he has a new collection. Oh my god, this is limited edition. Look how beautiful it is on the inside with the tags. Ah! And like the pattern is so pretty. Like I'm not gonna put it on with my drag on because this is just like so pretty. I don't wanna ruin it. But he is a pro at picking out like really, really fun patterns because you know I love fun patterns. But they're like reversible and they're so cute. So please, please go get a Master Mondo. You should have one. You need to have one. Postage due. Sam, thank you for the scene. It is really so cute. Good job. 420. These earrings are from Slamco Jewelry. Matthews. Oh my god, she painted them like Harry Styles. I get it. Thank you, Alyssa. I have a corn dog waiting for me after this. Work. What could it be? What could be in there? Guess. Take a guess. Oh, girl, this is so fun. Thank you. Just a custom little jacket moment. I could make this work. That's fine. Thanks for thinking of me. Wardrobe change. We're back. I just stopped by the post office again. Thank you so much. And I had a couple more packages I just wanted to throw in the same little video. You guys are so amazing. And you can find my P.O. box in the description box below. Okay, I'm gonna open the biggest one first. Is that so exciting? Yes, get in here. This is an Amazon box. Should I start an Amazon wish list? I thought about it, but I don't know if that sounds like too needy. I just thought it'd be cute, like if I picked out something that I wanted to wear and you got it for me, then you would know that I was wearing it and you got it for me. That is really cute. Look. Okay, I want to show you, but it has like ×3 ×2. There's 2 close-up ones, and you can get really close and see how flawless and gorgeous and smooth my skin is. Oh, thank you, Jessica. This is a makeup travel kit, and I have one very similar, but it isn't big enough, so I always need little extras. Thank you. That is practical gifts. I'm obsessed. International package. It's from the UK, hun. Ding dang dong. It says it's a canvas, stickers, and Jolly Ranchers. A British delicacy. A dash of aesthetic. This is so cute. This is definitely more than a dash of aesthetic. Y'all, this one came all the way from Australia. I have been in talks. Big Softy. It's a light. It's a light. And as a drag queen, you know, I must always have good lighting, and I'm so excited for this. Okay, I need to charge her a little more, but look at how cute and little she is and transportable, and she has a little clippy, so you can just clip her right onto the phone. Thank you, Big Softy. I'm gonna be including some of the companies, designers in the description box below, so go support the people that support me. Thank you for using the cheetah print tape. These are gloves, girl. You know I'm a glove girl. Oh my gosh. They're like, it looks like there's like water on them. Little water droplets. And then there's, oh my gosh, there's sprinkles. Oh my god, there's sprinkles. And then I am a sucker for all black and white mixed matching patterns. So you know I'm gonna get my use out of these, girl. Okay, these are Cubone earrings, and I'm a fan of Pokemon. I just did a podcast about Pokemon. It's called Gotta Snatch 'Em All. I'll leave that in the description below too. But yes, oh my god, Edward, these are so cute. I'm gonna put these on literally after I get out of drag. Thank you. These are so cute. I love my P.O. box. They're little wormies, gender reveal worms, his and hers. Thank you everyone so much for sending me things to my P.O. box. It really makes me feel very special, and I really appreciate it. And I'm gonna wear all of these jewelries and accessories and makeup and lights and thank you everyone. And if you like my earrings, I am going to be posting a tutorial on how I made them soon. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications, because I'm a mess and I'm just doing the best I can, and I don't have a regular schedule, and I'm not ready to commit to that. But I love you, and thank you so much for supporting and sending me so many beautiful things. Oh, yes, must go. Thanks for the mail. Mwah.